Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Proof 1 packet of active dry yeast in 3 tablespoons warm water until it becomes foamy, about 5 to 10 minutes. Whisk 1 egg and add 2 tablespoons softened butter, then pour the yeast mixture into the dry ingredients and stir until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it onto a lightly floured surface and knead just until it comes together, about 2 minutes. Avoid developing too much gluten. While the dough rests, make a firm butter block. Use 1 cup cold unsalted butter, pound and fold it into a flat slab roughly 12 by 8 centimeters between parchment. Keep the butter cold but pliable. Chill until the texture is like modeling clay. Meanwhile, lightly flatten the dough, wrap, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. When ready, roll the dough to a rectangle about 30 by 15 centimeters, place the butter block in the center. Fold the dough over, and seal the edges to encase the butter fully. Laminating is 3 simple turns. Roll the butter-encased dough to about 30 by 15 centimeters, fold in thirds like a letter, then chill 30 minutes. Repeat this sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 turns. After the final turn, chill the dough at least 1 hour so the butter firms. Roll to about 1 centimeter thickness, cut into shapes, and add filling if desired. Proof the shaped pastries at room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes. Then bake on a lined tray at 200 degrees C for 12 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.